It's not enough to tell Home Affairs you're in a relationship. You need to prove it. Today we are talking about evidence for your partner visa application, and it's true. A heartfelt story won't cut it on its own. Partner visas are granted or refused based on the strength of your evidence. Partner visa evidence can make or break your application. If you're researching partner visa evidence, you're not alone. Most couples want to know what strong evidence really looks like and how much is enough. Maybe you're just starting out, or perhaps you submitted your application months ago. You might think you've sent everything, but you still get a request for more, or worse, a refusal. Knowing what to show, what to explain, and what not to include is really important, especially when you've never done this before and your future together depends on it. In this video, we're going to explore why evidence is so important, why the government asks for it, and why getting it wrong even slightly can cost you precious time. We'll also touch on the emotional side of this part of the journey, because giving your whole relationship story to a faceless government stranger isn't easy. The good news is you don't have to do it alone. Hi, I'm Joanna. I'm a MARA registered migration agent and the founder and owner of Port Migration. We help Australians who find love overseas bring their love home. Since 2015, we've been helping couples just like you achieve successful partner visa outcomes. Education is one of our core values, and this video is part of our new Partner Visa Hub series. So check out the blog article that covers the topic of partner visa evidence in more detail. The links are in the description. Our Partner Visa Hub collects a whole range of resources to help you understand the partner visa process and take your next step with clarity and confidence. Whether you're just starting to research or already deep into planning your application, you're in the right place. So, like this video, subscribe to our channel here on YouTube, and share this video with your spouse, partner, or fiancé. Please keep in mind that everything we share here is general information only, not migration advice. Your situation is unique and visa decisions can have serious consequences. So, for advice or assistance that is specific for your circumstances, reach out through the links in the description. Let's get started. In this video, we'll explore the critical role that evidence plays in a partner visa application. We'll look at how the department views your proof, why every detail can make a difference, and why a one-size-fits-all checklist approach often fails couples. You might think, I love my partner, isn't that enough? And yep, once upon a time, I thought that too. But the truth is, love alone won't guarantee a visa. The case officer needs proof, clear, consistent, credible evidence that your relationship is genuine and your application meets the visa requirements. Many couples struggle with what to include, how much, or whether their documents actually support their story, because for many applications, the evidence portion is the dividing line between approval and delay, or even refusal. You might have a heartfelt statement, but if your evidence doesn't support that narrative, it weakens your case. And if your evidence doesn't meet the visa requirements, the reality is that your visa can't be granted. That's why getting this part right is absolutely essential to reducing risk and giving your application credibility. Here's 3 things you need to know. It's not about volume, it's about alignment. You can upload hundreds of pages, but if your documents aren't consistent or well presented, they won't do the job they need to do of proving your relationship and proving that you meet the visa requirements. Your statement and evidence must work together. Documents by themselves tell parts of a story. Your job is to make them tell a cohesive story, explain gaps, and frame them in a way that aligns with the legal criteria without overextending or overstating. Grab our Ultimate Relationship Statement Guide to help you with this part of the process. It's essential that you show 4 key elements of evidence. Your evidence needs to show the nature of your household, the nature of your commitment, your financial relationship, and your social relationship. All these elements are essential. We talk about this more in our Ultimate Guide to Partner Visas. It's a great first step if you haven't downloaded it yet. Generic checklists are only useful to a point because what's right for one couple may not be right for another. When we work one-on-one with couples, we create evidence strategies that are customized to each story. You don't have to guess what's enough. We'll help you build an application that is credible, cohesive, and confident. If you're working on your partner visa evidence, here's what to do next. Download our Ultimate Guide to Partner Visas. It's free, value-packed, and it's been used by thousands of couples to supercharge their research. Listen to our Partner Visa podcast and, of course, explore all these resources in our Partner Visa Hub. All these links are in the description. And, of course, at Port Migration, we help couples just like you with the entire partner visa process. We're here to help from start to finish. So when you're ready, book a free call and let's talk about your application. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our Port Migration YouTube channel, and share this video with your spouse, partner, or fiancé. If you're an Australian who has found love overseas, we're here to help you bring your love home. Until next time, all the best with your application.